It can be heart-wrenching to see someone you care about go down the rabbit hole of conspiracy theories. It's like watching a ship being drawn into a whirlpool, their reality distorted and their trust, once reserved for you and others, redirected towards faceless internet entities. The emotional impact is profound. Your loved one, swayed by unfounded claims, grows distant. Their firm belief in these theories may even lead them to question your intentions, creating a chasm in your relationship. It's not just relational rifts we're talking about here, but also the toll it takes on their mental health. Their world becomes a constant battle against unseen enemies, a life cloaked in paranoia and fear. Yes, it's difficult to witness, it's painful to endure, but this is where understanding and empathy come into play. You might feel like challenging their beliefs head-on, but that could push them further away. So tread lightly, listen earnestly, empathize genuinely. But remember, it's crucial to approach them with understanding and patience. To tackle the issue, we first need to understand what conspiracy theories are. Conspiracy theories, in essence, are alternative explanations for events or situations that reject or challenge the widely accepted narrative. They often involve the idea of covert operations or secret societies pulling the strings behind the scenes. So why are some people drawn to these theories? It often stems from feelings of powerlessness. In a world that can seem overwhelmingly complex and unpredictable, conspiracy theories provide a simple, albeit often misguided, explanation. They offer a sense of order in chaos, an illusion of control, if you will. Fear is another powerful motivator. Conspiracy theories can provide an outlet for anxiety and uncertainty, a way to make sense of things that scare us. And then there's the allure of the forbidden knowledge, the thrill of being privy to secrets that others don't know. Understanding why they are appealing can help you to address them effectively. The key to debunking conspiracy theories is a solid fact-checking framework. In our quest for truth, we must arm ourselves with a reliable set of tools. A fact-checking framework is just that. A toolbox of sorts that will help us separate fact from fiction. Let's break down this framework into 4 simple steps: checking the source, looking for evidence, considering other explanations, and consulting experts. Firstly, always check the source. Where is this information coming from? Is it a reputable news outlet or a random blog post? Remember, credibility is key. Let's take the moon landing conspiracy theory as an example. Many claim it was a hoax, citing various sources of dubious credibility. However, if we look at the source of the original information, NASA, we find a highly reputable organization with a long history of scientific achievement. Next, look for evidence. Are there any verifiable facts that support the claim, or is it all just hearsay and speculation? In our moon landing example, we have countless pieces of evidence, from the physical moon rocks brought back to Earth to the thousands of individuals who worked on the Apollo missions. Thirdly, consider other explanations. Could there be a simpler explanation that doesn't require a massive cover-up or conspiracy? In the case of the moon landing, the simpler explanation is that we did, in fact, land on the moon. The alternative requires believing in a vast, decades-long conspiracy involving thousands of people, which is far less plausible. Finally, consult the experts. What do the people who dedicate their lives to studying this field have to say? With the moon landing, the consensus among scientists, astronauts, and experts in the field is clear. The moon landing was real. Using this framework, it's clear to see that the moon landing was not a hoax, but a monumental achievement of human ingenuity. This is the power of a solid fact-checking framework. Using this framework, you can debunk most conspiracy theories effectively. Now, we'll apply our fact-checking framework to some common conspiracy theories. Let's begin with the theory that the moon landing in 1969 was staged. This theory suggests that NASA faked the moon landing to win the space race against the Soviet Union. However, the evidence overwhelmingly supports the reality of the moon landing. Thousands of NASA employees and contractors would have had to keep the secret, a feat near impossible over 5 decades. Additionally, third-party validations such as the Soviet Union tracking the Apollo missions and physical evidence like moon rocks brought back to Earth debunk this theory. And next, let's address the theory of chemtrails, the belief that the white lines left by aircraft are chemical or biological agents deliberately sprayed for sinister reasons. However, science explains these trails as contrails, formed by the condensation of water vapor in the aircraft's exhaust. Multiple reputable sources, including the Environmental Protection Agency and the World Meteorological Organization, have confirmed this explanation. Moreover, the logistics of such an operation, mass production and distribution of chemicals, retrofitting planes, and the silence of thousands involved, make this theory implausible. Lastly, the theory of a new world order, a secretive power elite aiming to rule the world. While it's true that influential groups and individuals exist, the idea of a unified secret cabal controlling everything is unfounded. This theory relies heavily on speculation and lacks concrete evidence. Notably, it's nearly impossible to keep large-scale conspiracies secret in our interconnected world, where whistleblowers and investigative journalists are constantly uncovering truths. In each of these examples, the lack of verifiable evidence and the reliance on speculation are clear. Reliable sources and logical reasoning debunk these theories. It's crucial to remember that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. As you can see, these theories fall apart under scrutiny. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's summarize. We started by acknowledging the emotional struggle that comes with seeing a loved one caught in the web of conspiracy theories. We explored the reasons why these theories can seem so compelling, from their allure of secret knowledge to the way they can make people feel special and in control. We then introduced a robust, fact-checking framework, an essential tool for debunking these theories. This framework involves questioning the source, scrutinizing the evidence, and seeking out expert opinion. We put this framework into action by examining common conspiracy theories, revealing the lack of substance beneath their intriguing surface. We saw how facts and scientific consensus can dismantle these theories, exposing their flaws and inconsistencies. Remember, patience and understanding are key when helping a loved one navigate away from conspiracy theories. It won't happen overnight, but with persistence and care, you can help them see the truth. For more advice, please like and subscribe.